Chopra.
Hi, Nitin.
Hi. Um, what are your plans for the judicial reforms? Recently, Premier Ford, he blasted the judiciary. He quoted that judges are politically appointed and running judiciary with political agenda. Like judges gave less punishment because of criminals' immigration status. If you are on a work permit, less punishment. Visitor to this country, less punishment. If you are a student visa, less punishment. When our premier or leaders don't have a trust on judiciary, so how can a common man can trust a judicial process?
Well, look, I share some of the frustration, but let's be clear. The judges are interpreting liberal laws. It's liberal laws, C-75, that allows criminals who've committed 150 or 200 offenses to be released within minutes of their latest arrest. That is a liberal law. So when a judge gives bail, they're just following the liberal law. It is the liberal law, C5, that allows serious violent offenders to have house arrest or to get early parole. It is a liberal law that allowed Paul Bernardo to go from a maximum security penitentiary to a medium penitentiary where he'll be able to play sports and cook for himself and enjoy the freedoms he robbed from other people. Those are liberal laws. So let's, sure, we can blame others, but the blame is with the Liberals. And by the way, Mark Carney has done nothing to reverse the laws brought in while he was the economic advisor to the Liberals. So let's put the blame where it belongs. As for this ridiculous ruling that suggested that someone should have a lower conviction or sentence because they were a temporary resident in our country from another nation, that is outrageous. It is ridiculous that in our liberal justice system, someone gets a lower conviction simply because they came from another country. And that is why Michelle Rempel, conservative immigration critic, is introducing a law that will ban judges from giving sentencing discounts to people on the basis of their immigration status. Frankly, anyone who is visiting our country from abroad and applying for immigration who commits a crime should be deported from our country.